I wanna try it. Oh.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan, today we're going to I forgot. So ayan guys, now we're picking up the blackberry. Okay? So guys, hello! This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. But today vlogs, we're picking up the blackberry. Okay? But before that, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. There we go guys, a lot of blackberries. I show you, we're picking up. And guys, we have also here the apple plant. Ayan, we're gonna pick up that when it's already ripe. Ayan, but it's not still ripe. Ayan, they have also here the cherry tree again. There's a lot. Ayan, o diba? But we cannot pick up still because it's still not ripe. O diba? So ayan guys. So ang dami guys. We're going to make a marmalade, or I'm going to make a marmalade the blackberry. Yummy. Guys, we're here the apple is already red. But I don't know it's already done. So the apple is already red. So I don't know, it's this. So yes, the apple is red. You see how many apples? But I want to try it. So let's pick up a little bit bigger. Ayan guys, so diba? I want to try it. Oh, I think it's there. So ayan guys, ang dami niyang apple. There's a lot of apple. There we go here. There's a bunch of apple here. You see? The bunch of apple. See? The apple. Guys, here we're picking up the blackberry. So here like this. Look at these guys. It's a lot. So guys, okay. So ayan guys, kasi nagbabike ako. I'm trying. Ayan, dito tayo sa ano. So there we go guys. I show you. Ayan yung the blackberry what I pick up or I realized. There we go. Look. One Tupperware. Ayan, the blackberry. Look at these guys. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait, ayan guys. So there we go. You see how many. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ang dami. At take note, ang lalaki niya, very big, di ba? And so sweet. Ayan. So, maybe I will make it marmalade, di ba? So sweet. So, ayan guys, lagyan natin. I'm gonna I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna put a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna put the vinegar, the white vinegar, to take it out whatever the. Ayan. Let's put. Ay, madami. So, ganyan lang guys. I let like 10 minutes. Ayan. Kita ko sa inyo. So, ayan guys, let us rinse na the blackberry. So, the reason why I put the vinegar to kill the parasites or parasite from the from the fruits, mga kalindog or mga guys. So, ayan. Because sometimes they have ants or they have the, you know, the small butterfly. So, ayan, ganyan. So, nirinse na natin. So, you see, ayan, tignan nyo. Ito yung water na may vinegar. So, hindi natin ng normal water. Kasi it's better, guys, ha. Lagyan nyo ng white vinegar para mamatay ang mga parasites. So, ayan. That's it. So, ayan. Pag gumawa tayo ngayon ng, o pag gumawa ko ng, when I cook the, panna cotta, ayan. Gawin natin siyang toppings, mga kalindo. So, ayan. Hayaan lang natin siya. Let's dry it here. Dry lang natin siya. So, ayan. Ganyan lang. Let's wait. O, diba? Ang sarap. Yummy. So, that is it. Pansit. There we go, guys. This is the blackberry. I'm doing now the marmalade. I forgot to show you how to do it. I mash it by the what do you call it? This is the tomato, not tomato, the from the potato mashes, and then I will mash this here like a tomato, you see, until getting liquid. And of course I put some sugar with gelatin. So we're gonna cook now for 20 minutes. So there we go, guys. That is the blackberry. What did I got? There in the near from the river. Oh, so diba? This is gonna be yummy. I will show you guys after this. So yeah, we need to stir it always. So para they're not gonna be dumikit. That's it. Pansit. So ayan na guys, ang ating marmalade. Ayan. I put in the bottle, only three bottles I did. And then I will boiling with the water. Ayan guys. So ating marmalade, it's almost done. Ayan guys. So, ready. Dali na natin siya. So this is one. Oh my God. Hindi na siya mga kalindog. Ayan. And of course, meron tayong small. I put all in the, ayan, the small bottle. Ay! Goodness. So guys, ayan. So there we go guys. So, nakatatlong bote tayo ng blackberry marmalade. O, diba? So, let's wait na lumamig. So, there we go, guys. Yan ang ating marmalade. Yummy. O, diba? Ang sarap niyan. Very sweet. Talagang very, very sweet. So, go. So, ayan, guys. Ang lalaki. Yummy. Oh, my God. So sweet, really. I'm gonna make this a marmalade, or I put in the I'm gonna make panna cotta. Ayan guys, from sa top. So ayan guys, so thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my blackberry, picking blackberry. So Thank you. Ayan. So please don't forget to smile. Remember. So bye. Thank you.